Hi, my name is Adam Fletcher, and I'm a scientist at the CVR working on HIV. I like to think of viruses as miniature burglars who break into our body and take what they need before making a quick getaway. Sometimes these microscopic intruders can make us quite sick in the process. It's not plain sailing for the viruses though. Our bodies, in fact the tiny cells that make up our bodies, are packed with little proteins that function like teeny tiny CCTV cameras, whose job it is to survey 24/7 for the presence of viruses. When these CCTVs spot something that looks unusual, they kick up an almighty fuss, sounding a sort of alarm that kicks our immune system into action. Often this makes us feel quite fluey. Thankfully, often, the virus is dealt with, our cells recover, and we go about our daily lives none the wiser. But some viruses, and HIV is an excellent example of this, are particularly quiet when they break in. In fact, they sort of cloak themselves and somehow slip under our radar. The tricky thing with HIV is that once it's avoided this CCTV, it has full access to all of the goodies inside our cells and becomes, in effect, a lifelong squatter. My research attempts to understand these CCTV systems within us. What do they look like? What are they looking for? And how does the virus hide? I hope that by understanding these astounding tools, we might someday harness them in new kinds of HIV therapies. It's a privilege to work alongside the Terence Higgins Trust, to connect with people living with HIV, to break down barriers, raise their voices, and inform our research.